Hello. The other one just got done piddling around with programming.
4%.
Is a Midland XTR 8-channel radio.
61 at Washington, 67 at Midland.
Yeah. And with it, of course, didn't have an option pulling the, get the cover off here, didn't have an option pulling the EEPROM. This dumb thing is being stubborn. There we go. So
It was mostly cloudy with a temperature.
I had to go with the normal programming port. And one thing I quickly found out researching for the programming cable for this unit is that the schematic they have is painfully wrong. They have the Max 232 IC on the schematic where the RS-232 level output is going to the TTL side, and the TTL side on output is going to the RS-232 port, which is backwards. It'll still work, but it will work in spite of itself. I found, I just kind of looked up what needed to be done and come up with a slightly simpler little interface circuit. It just required a single 7404 hex inverter and a couple resistors. And it works perfectly fine for the level conversion from the COM port to the serial port on the radio, self-powered from the radio, so, and a lot simpler mess than the one you see schematic for online. Whatever floats the boat stuff, and it worked on this radio. So, if I can turn the knob.
Apologize for any inconvenience this may be causing.
Yeah. Stuff. And this one also works perfectly good. Stuff had to make a power connector out of a chopped up AT power plug, but that's about it.
Frontal boundary is over the plains.
Yep. And the only problem with this radio, it don't have a front panel squelch. Only squelch control is inside resistor variable 241. I think that is. Yep, 241. Stuff to adjust the squelch on the inside of it, instead of having an externally accessible squelch control. That's about it. Works perfectly good on the ham band and stuff. So, that's it for this one. Take care.